Greetings everybody, welcome back to Cooking with King Fletch. Today I have been asked to do a special request video. It's going to be shrimp and grits without using water. So instead of water, I'm going to be using chicken broth. And today I'm not going to waste any time. I'm just going to let you know what I'm going to be using, okay? I'm going to be using a red bell pepper, some cherry tomatoes, grape tomatoes, whatever you want to call them, butter, some country crock spread, some minced garlic in the can because I don't feel, well, in the jar, I don't feel like chopping my garlic today. I'm being lazy. I got some thyme leaves here. I've got some chives. I've got some bacon. I'm going to fry the bacon and dice it up and put it on top of my shrimp and grits. I'm also going to be using some white cheddar cheese. And today's recipe only requires salt and pepper. All right? And I'm also going to be using a shallot. This is half a shallot. I'm going to chop that up. And you're going to see, let's go ahead and get right into it. So this is where I'm going to be cooking my grits. I'm going to be using chicken broth instead of water. Chicken broth has flavor to it. It's going to add a good flavor to our grits. And of course, I'm going to Fletch style those bad boys. That's going to be real good. So this right here is 32 ounces of chicken broth. As you can see, I bought it at Kroger. It's Kroger brand. It doesn't really matter what brand you use. And there's my dash of salt. So over here, I'm going to add some oak leaf, cabernet sauvignon red wine. Told y'all before, I don't measure. I just do. And you all will someday adopt that. Cut that in half. Cut another side off of it. Just break that down a little bit. Drop those right in there. And I'm going to bring some of my grape tomatoes over. 4, 5, 6, 12, 13. It's a good number. 13, whatever. So I'm going to take that, blend it all up into a nice puree, right? You could drink that. It's a juicer, right? But we're not going to drink it. But we got little chunks of everything in there. It's just pureed. It's not like fine or whatnot. And we're going to leave that right there off to the side, okay? So now I'll chop my shallot. Do that. Put that in fours real quick. And half of it. Shallot chop. I'm going to take some of these onion straws. Chives, onion straws, whatever you want to call them. That should be about enough of that. I'll season these simply with salt and pepper. And you know my trick. Get everything evenly distributed. Just put your hand in there. Show them shrimp a little bit of love and appreciation. And we got our bacon cut in half so that they don't shrivel too badly. Of our shrimp and grits once it's done. Make way, baby. Measured out me some grits. And I'm just going to sprinkle those into I add that cover over there and turn the heat down just a little bit. So it's not going to be able to be shredded, so what I want to do is cube it. Shredding it helps it to melt faster, but that's no problem. Easy fix. Like I said, with it being cubed, it's still going to melt right. So now I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil. Slowly slap some butter off in this thing. About a tablespoon and a half. I'm going to add in some of that minced garlic. I'm not going to be stingy with it either. And with the garlic goes the shallot. Alright? I'm going to go and add some thyme. some of that country crock butter. Alright. So since I added all of that, I'll go ahead and give this a couple stirs. Get all this stuff living together. Y'all forgot about those peppers and tomatoes that I did my 1-2 with. I'm just pour some of that in there. Not all of it, just some. I'm gonna turn the heat up on that. And we got our little paste. This is gonna be really, really good, by the way. So now you can see it all starting to sizzle and fizzle and do what I want it to do, right? So what I'm gonna do at this time is add a little bit of Lawry's garlic salt. Okay, that's Lawry's garlic salt. And that's all I'm gonna put in there, alongside some black pepper. And that's just for taste. Just about a tablespoon of butter. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. But in this given situation, we're gonna do them like this. And the reason being is, like I said, we just want them to cook in that sauce. As you see, so now's the perfect time just to add a little more, because I kind of want it a little saucy. I want my shrimp a little saucy. And to that, I'll just add a little pinch of salt and a little bit of onion powder. Okay? I'm gonna bring some more of that country crock butter and sit it right in there. And now here go my grits. As you can see, these are thickening up properly. Properly thickening up the grits. So right now I'm going to go ahead and add that cheese in there. All that white cheddar cheese goes in our grits. So add just a little bit of butter, just for some creaminess. We're back over to our shrimp now. Bacon's done. Nice crispy. Got that chopped up. And that's it, folks. Shrimp and grits. Put that bacon over the top. Some chives in there. This right here. It's gonna be incredible.